Call up. To telephone someone. I'll call you up this evening. Johnny, why don't you call up your mother? Call back. To telephone someone again. Can you call me back tomorrow? I can't talk right now. I will call you back. Pick up. Answer the telephone call. Can you pick up the phone for me? Why he is not picking up? Speak up. Speak louder. Could you speak up? I can't hear you. Would you speak up a little, please? Hold on. Hang on. Asking someone to wait. Don't go away, just hold on a minute. You want to talk to Mr. William, please hold on. Hang up. To disconnected the phone. I can't believe he hung up on me. Don't hang up on me, I need to talk to you. Pass on. To convey a message to someone else. Did you pass on my message to him? He's not here? I'll pass on the message. Turn off. Please turn off the phone. It's good to turn off the phone while charging. Cut off. To interrupt a phone conversation. I was speaking with Mr. Bush, and the call was cut off. If we get cut off, I will call you back. Break up. I can't hear. You are breaking up.